First remove the plastic retainer clips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use this removal tool. After removing this plastic panel, keep it aside. This is what we need to remove. Those two tools only required, a flat screwdriver and door trim removal tool. Place the flat screwdriver on the edge of this clip and push it forward with the removal tool. Then simply peel it off with your hand. Push the radiator just forward and then pull out the old clip. Remove the bushing. As you can see, this old one is extremely poor condition. Slide the new one on, and you want to pay attention. It has a wider area and a smaller one. The wider one goes on the bottom. I will try to slide it on this pin on the radiator underneath these two tabs and slide this piece to lock it all in. Now you can do the same things to the other side.